It's not Jeff Richards. You understand?
Yeah, Jimmy Falcon. Yeah, absolutely.
That's Jimmy Fallon, man.
Fallon, I apologize.
Jimmy Falcon, man. What do you think I am, a bird or something? You know? I mean, where am I gonna fly to? I can't fly anywhere now. I got the headphones in.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm being interviewed by Jimmy Falcon, the bird.
And I'm talking to Mr. Pregnant.
Yeah, Mr. Pregnant. Atelston, Fitzgerald, all of the first.
Now, you were on the Chappelle Show?
I was on the Chappelle Show. I was on MTV like 15 times. I was on VH1 over 20 times. So I've been on a number of different networks.
Tell me about the Chappelle Show, though. Did you get to meet him?
Yeah, I saw Chappelle back in those days in New York. I was like 22 at the time. I was doing background work. And I auditioned for the Chappelle Show. And I was on the first recording of the Chappelle episode. And it was a Sally Field episode that completely failed miserably. So I was on the first episode of the Chappelle Show.
You want to discuss semantic ambiguity? Let's discuss homonym, homophone, homograph, heteronym, heterograph, polysemy, monosemy, capitonym, paronym, hyphonym, meronym, holonym, or hyphonym. Let's discuss the difference between verbal irony and verbal sarcasm. Let's discuss dramatic, situational, verbal, tragic, and Socratic irony.